guys grab a drink. We're going to be here a while. We got a massive parcel from Bettycora Nails. So thank you so much, Bettycora, for sending these to me. I'm so excited. So these are nails I've used before. I love press-ons. Got me some Halloween ones at the minute. So I'll read what their little statement is. Bettycora is a professional press-on nail art brand with an industry-leading nail manufacturer. All of our nails are original designs as we try our best to innovate more high-quality press-on nails on the market. Through our product, we hope to inspire more girls' confidence and courage, and we believe that the power of nail beauty will triumph over life's dullness. Finally, we appreciate all the time and effort you put into making this order possible. We will do our utmost to ensure that everything is perfect for you. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any unpleasant experiences. We will pay 100% attention to resolve them. So there's a little thank you card from Bettycora. But Bettycora did send all these to me. And there is not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven, not eight, not 9, but 10. Jesus. My God. But 10 packages of nails. Now, I have no idea what any of these nails are. They said, what nails do you want? As like a thank you for doing my other videos with them. I was like, surprise me. So here we go. So let's start with opening this one. I have no idea what these are. So let's see. Oh, those are damn cute. Look at those. Oh, I like those a lot. Oh, those are nice. And all of these come with glue as well. And these are about $10 to buy. Honestly, I've used Bettycora in the past and been absolutely like, it's such a cute little one. I love that. And I've been absolutely obsessed with their nails. I wear them all the time. And I've, like, from one pack, I can get 2 sets of nails. From one pack, 2 sets of nails. And they last me 2 weeks. As a dog groomer, my hands are always wet. My nails are wet. Like, using these, they're amazing. Like, it's just, I love having press-on nails. And Bettycora has really good quality ones. So, get your ass there. Oh, my God. Look at these. Look how cute these are. The little rainbow and then the little, like, cloud, like, flower. It's like a flower cloud. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I love this. I love the individually wrapped things. It's just so sweet. I love that. I am dead. These are so freaking adorable. Are you kidding me? These are so sweet. Oh, I love them. And a little life hack is you get a little bit of like I use the Wet n Wilds or the, what have we got there? The Essence, the gel top coat on top of them. Mwah. It just makes them look like a professional manicure and I love them. And think about press on nails. You just pull them off and start again. Just do that. Those are adorable. These are so cute. Oh my God, whoever was picking these up, you did really well. Because these are like, I'm obsessed with all of these. These are going to last me well into next year as well. And it's spring, so these are the perfect spring like ones that I've seen. These are so cute. Oh my God, I see a theme. But these are so adorable. Oh my God. I love them. They're like flowery, so we'll put them on the flowery pile. I do want to get some from Bettycora. You can buy glue from there as well. Even though these come with glue, but you can buy like big things of glue and glue remover. Do you know how handy that is? Do you know how handy it is to buy a glue remover to get your nails off? Like, I'm so bad. I just pull them off, which you should not do. But get a glue remover. 10 out of 10. Amazing. All right, let's... I am dying. These on Christmas... These, like, we have Christmas and it's like summer here, right? These would be so perfect for a Christmas summer nail. I love all of, like, we've got 4 to go. I'm getting a bit sad that there's not more because this is really fun. I love how they made it so nice to unbox these. Like, this is so fun. Oh, I know I said I loved all the other ones, but these ones, I'm obsessed with these. These are so cute. I want to wear them now, but I have my Halloween ones on. But these are so cute. Oh my God. I'm living for these designs. These are really, really nice designs. Go to the website right now. I mean, they are killing me with these patterns. Look, the orange, the pink, the like checkers. I'm dead. These are so... I can't. Honestly, honestly. These are perfection. These nails are literal perfection. Look at them. Look at the nails. Oh. It's the last nails. Now, I haven't hated any nails yet. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, hang on. This isn't nails. What is this? What is this? This is not nails. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's the glue off. Ah! I was just talking about this. It's the glue off. They sent me glue off. This is, I'm so excited. How do we use this? Easy to apply and use. Remove nails, effortless and painless. I'm going to try to take this one off. I'm going to take this nail off. Let's do it right now. What do? Do I just put it on the edges and it just like takes it off? How does it work? I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this. I've been wanting this for so long. Do I just brush it on? Is that it? Like, what does it do? Does it just... I don't understand. And then I've got a little sticky to pull it. Where'd the sticky go? She kind of fell off. Let's see. Oh, I got hair. Oh, my hair is everywhere. Like, let's see. Like, let's see what she's doing. Oh my god. The nail is lifting. The nail is literally lifting. What the hell? It's come off so much on this side as well. Literally, look. Like, I don't know if you can tell. That far, it's like separated. Do you just keep like... Oh my god. I mean, wanting to get this nail off so I could like reapply it, because these nails, I feel like, always need to be reapplied all the time. Just literally rubbing this on. Doesn't even smell bad or anything. Let's see. Oh my god. If I get this off, I'm literally like, oh my god, it's working. What the hell? Oh my god. Because I'm just putting it like under there and then using this. That was so stress-free. And it just came off. Okay. So guys, if you guys use press-on nails, you need to get some glue off by Bettycora, because that was so easy. It was so easy just with a little stick. Oh, that means I can put these on so easily. I don't have to wait till these like grow off or anything. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, Bettycora, for sending these to me again. Here is the amazing, like, look at them. Now I don't even know. It's a bit ugly, but I'm going to put one on after this. Look at these. These are so gorgeous. Look. Oh my god. And then the front ones again. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But these are amazing. This is amazing. You guys need to get some of that. But until next time, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.